When I started with this organization and set up, the reason was that myself was migrant, refugee, asylum seeker, outsider, insider, in between two continents and find country until I reached here. And I wanted that, making sure that these women don't experience the way that I experience. It was a hard journey for me, but I wanted to make sure that this journey will be easier and more kind and civilized and integrated with the other people in the community. Because this is important. We lived in very hard life, and then we left everything behind us. And when we come here, we needed dignity, we needed support, we needed kindness for starting and rebuilding our life. Our organization wanted to make sure that every woman in our community will be welcomed by kindness, by respect, and be welcomed to be integrated with the other communities. And then using all the wonderful services around us to start a good and new life here, which they deserve it. We all deserve it. Therefore, our team at MEWSo, with passion, with experience, with skills and professional skills that they have, they dedicated their time to support those women. They are residents of this country, they are citizens of this country. We are equal and we deserve a better life.
At MEWSo, we are proud to call ourselves by and for organization. MEWSo is run by migrant women with their own lived experiences, with their own culture and background, and that helped us reach more people from the Middle Eastern community because we speak the language, we understand the culture. Many of our staff were our previous service users, and many of our facilitators and volunteers as well. So we're very happy that we're empowering women to become more independent, strong enough to come and join us later on as facilitators or staff. We are proud to welcome 400 women each year to use our advice department services and our workshops and classes. Currently, we are running 8 interactive workshops and classes, including English classes for different levels, healthy workshops for women, and also social clubs, and all of them are for free.
Today, MEWSo Westminster, we are running 4 workshops. We are doing English class, intermediate, and beginner class. Each class we have from 16 to 20 women. And we are running as well a healthy lifestyle is once a week. And we have like 16 women coming. And we are running as well the cooking class. We have 17 women coming to a cooking class, and we are going to extend our workshop to Queen's Park and Harrow Road. And we are going to have like a choral, a new workshop, a choral, very soon.
Here in Islington office, we have multiple activities, including English conversation class and English beginners. That runs every Wednesday from 12 to 2. We have as well Olive Club every week, and that varies because we can take clients to multiple activities that includes zoo, gardens, parks when the weather allows, and gyms. We have over 25 clients that attends weekly. We leave this English classes in club as an open door for ladies to report if there is any domestic violence. This year, MEWSo dealt with over 200 cases of domestic violence. The cases were more complicated than any other year due to the complexity of asylum cases. When the domestic violence is related to the asylum seekers and we have to deal with the Home Office and the Migrant Hub, it is extremely difficult. My role is to support the client in all aspects. That includes housing, non-molestation orders, communicating with police, with the council, and sometimes with other organizations. What makes us as a unique organization is that we do speak multiple languages, which includes Arabic, French, Farsi, Pashto, and Hindi. When it's related to domestic violence, it's preferably that the advisor speaks the same language. It can make huge effect in all services, including the court, including the police, and as well housing situations. We have a referral system online with multiple languages again. There is self-referral, so that's if a person want to make the self-referral, or there is professional referral if a person is from NHS, from housing, or any other services. They can do professional referral.
I work with women from different backgrounds and countries, migrants, and all Kurdish people, and especially Faili women and LGBTQ+. Many women face language barriers, which could prevent them from accessing services or understanding their rights. We provide guidance on various welfare benefits available to women, such as universal credit, which is financial support for low-income women, child benefit, housing benefit, support for those struggling to pay for housing costs, personal independence payment, PIP, for women with long-term disabilities. We have referral services connecting women to additional services like legal assistance or mental health support by NHS. I am really happy to work in MEWSo for supporting and empowering women from different countries.
We are also proud to run very successful campaigns to tackle harmful cultural practices against women and girls, including virginity testing, hymenoplasty, and the campaign that we are launching very soon, Polygamy Matters. We also have our professional training that was tailored based on our experience with harmful cultural practices, and we were very proud this year to deliver it for over 12 organizations. We are also very proud of our support for the LGBTQ+ community as well as the asylum seekers. We are currently running a very important campaign to shed the light on the situation that the asylum seekers have been facing in the asylum seeking hotels or the home office accommodation hotels. We are very proud that this year we're extending our services to Queen's Park and Harrow Road, and we're hoping by next year we will be able to cover more boroughs in London. We are stronger and able to provide more services because of our partnerships and networks. This year we were lucky enough to have a lot of partnerships and networking work done with other organizations, other councils and other activists, and we hope that we can expand in our networking and partnership more and more by next year.